Question number 2 of exercise 2.5 is evaluate following product without multiplying directly. It means you have to multiply this 103 into 107 but not directly. It means with the help of identity you have to multiply this. So start. What will be the first step? If you have to use here identity, for that you have to break these numbers. 103 can be break into 100 plus 3 and 107 can be break into 100 plus 7. Now you can easily see, student, there are two brackets. Within first bracket 100 plus 3 and within second bracket 100 plus 7. Which suitable identity we can use here? We can use here fourth identity, in which x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Again we will here compare and find the values of a, b and x. Here the value of x is 100, the value of a is 3 and the value of b is in second bracket 7. Then we will substitute the values of x, a and b in the right hand side of this identity. X square, it means 100 square, plus a plus b, within bracket a plus b, it means 3 plus 7 into x, it means into 100, a into b, it means 3 into 7. Next step, 100 square, 100 into 100, we will get 10,000 plus 3 plus 7, it means 10 into 100 plus 3 sevens are 21. Next step, 10,000 plus 10 into 100, you will get 1000 plus 21, and when you will get all these three number, you will get 11,021, and this is your answer. So you find the product without multiplying directly. Similarly, you have to solve this second one also, 95 into 96. This 95 into 96 can be break 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6, or you can break this as 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4, because if you subtract 5 from 100 you will get 95, and when you subtract 4 from this 100 you will get 96. Again we have to think about that identity. Same identity we will use here. Fourth identity, x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here again we will compare, then we will find the values of x, a and b. The value of x is here 100, the value of a is here, as you can see, student, here negative sign. It means when you compare you have to take minus sign also. It means value of a will be minus 5 and value of b will be minus 4. Substitute the all values in right hand side. X square, it means 100 square, plus within bracket a plus b, a it means minus 5, b it means minus 4, into x 100 plus a into b, it means minus 5 into minus 4. Next step, 100 square, it means 10,000, minus minus plus, you will get minus 9 into 100 plus minus minus plus 5 fours are 20. Next step, 10,000. Now you have to multiply this minus 9 by 100. You will get minus 900 plus 20. Open bracket, plus minus minus 900 plus 20. If you subtract this, you will get 9100 plus 20, and your final answer is 9000 120. This is your final answer.
Third part of this question is 104 into 96. You have to find the product without directly multiplying. So how we can break this? We can break this 100 as 100 plus 4. And how we can break this 96? Using these two numbers 100 and 4. Obviously 100 minus 4. Student, now you have to use suitable identity. For in first bracket plus sign, in second bracket minus sign, same numbers. Which identity we will use? We will use third identity. A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Now again we will compare and we will find the value of a and b. Here the value of a will be 100 and the value of b will be 4. Substitute the values of a and b. A square it means 100 squared and b square it means 4 square. 100 into 100 you will get 10,000 and 4 4s are 16. And when you subtract this you will get 9,984. This is the answer of this third part. So student, with the help of identity you can evaluate these types of question without multiplying directly.